Ben is not aero today. He's 6 feet off the ground. The post so wide he couldn't fit in the hospital lift.
But he's got the lightest bike right now.
But he's got the lightest bike, so he's killing it. Welcome to Mittagong, New South Wales. We are, we're not officially starting. I haven't hit the button on my Strava, but we have begun. We've arrived at the location of our departure, kind of. We're just gonna get some breakfast in Mittagong, and some water, and get ready to go. So let me give a brief breakdown of what the bikes are today. This is a gravelized GT Avalanche mountain bike with a carbon fork and a carbon drop bars. I've put a rack on the back. It's running a Sensor Pro 1x11 group set, which is an AliExpress special with hard rock cranks and these Shimano pedals with a Brook saddle. And on the side I've got a pannier on the left side, and I've got the 360 camera there. I've got extra water and a bungee strap, tubes, electronics and cameras here up the front. Rob is running minimal. Merida Sculptura, 28mm tires, run low, lots of water and gels. But he's carrying everything in his backpack. And then on the other end of the scale, we have Ben's Norco mountain bike. He's running Rob's bike pack on the seat post. He's running all disposable water bottles because he just cares about the environment that much. And then even more water in the back there. So we're going to tackle this road 3 completely different ways and see which one works best. Hopefully we'll come up with an average. I should state that this is Rob and I's second attempt at this particular route getting to Taralga. Last time we had Ben bail us out in his Ranger. You can watch the video of that up here. It was a learning experience, and you can see why. But today we aim to do it properly. So let's get going. Breezy 15k's in, feeling good. No problems with the bikes. It's a bit overcast. Jumpers are off, but it definitely was about 12 degrees starting up, which is weird. It's supposed to be Sydney summer, but we're otherwise feeling good. Warmed up. Ben's not super enjoying these roads on his knobbly tires, but once he hits the gravel, I reckon he'll be happy. I'm filming this all on an iPhone. How's the sound? Bit of luck, the noise cancelling has come in, wind cancelling. Come on, white boy! I could practically lean in and take a drink from that bottle, I reckon. Be like an aerial refueling in the Navy. Update, 25 kilometers in, we are at the 1 Million Caves turnoff. That's 1/4 done, and everyone's feeling good, except my stupid speaker won't play, so we're tuneless. So Rob's listening to whale song in his own bone conductors while I'm having to enjoy sparkling conversation, which I honestly run out of after about 20 minutes due to my stay-at-home ways. But you know, maybe I'll come up with something to talk about while we ride. We're in the gravelly bits. We're graveling it. speed is reduced significantly, but so far so good. Main worries are losing my bottle off the back from vibrations, but we'll deal with that. Just pick it up. Look happy, like it's no problem. Get back to Rob, he's getting allergy, he's in an allergy nightmare, probably on account of the massive amounts of flowers around us and the wind. Let's go. So something very cool about this trail is that we're able to see both sides of the trail up there on the hill as we're coming down. So this is this beautiful horseshoe bend with a stream running through the middle of it, with the valley rising up above. It is quite spectacular. This is our lunch spot. Not bad. So apparently there's a lot of climbing now, like 2 kilometers worth. So, but we've had a big descent that's been very easy, so it shouldn't be too bad. We've got energy. Fucking gravel cunts, it's the fucking gravel cunt show. We're all fucking inexperienced, we don't know what the fuck we're doing. Let's smash the cunt gravel. Spiky, slippery shit. Let's fuck it up. Let's go. Yeah. Alright, we had the first crash, but not too bad. This little bit is not great for road tires. We must document everything. Field dressing. Blood removal. Some say this is our Vietnam. Alright, he's patched, field dressing intact, and if I've played enough video games I know that he's at 100% health now. Getting some altitude here. Coming up over the valley, it's just one long climb. Not too steep, but this apparently is why the first time we came here we couldn't pass this road. So I guess the people who did make it over just hiked and biked, climbed over these rocks. It took them a long time to fix it. Alright, the sun's come out, it's warming up. He's pissing again. One thing I'm noticing about this valley is the entire thing is covered in scars of landslides. Kind of crazy how you can see the whole trail from here. Now who's the Disney princess? Me. I'm a Disney princess. Give me hope, go Anna. Hope, go Anna, give me hope. reached Wamian Caves, 32 kilometers to go. One big 1 kilometer climb after one very long kilometer climb. Feeling pretty good. I reckon we can get there before dark for once. G'day, mate. And then Ben can get a cold Chinetti when he begs the kitchen to stay open for him. Yeah. They say, we closed 2 hours ago. We closed at 6 PM. This is a country town. Oh, g'day, Skip. Hello, Skip Junior over here. What's going on with you, mate? We've reached the sitting in the middle of the road eating sweets part of the voyage. We've got 19 kilometers to go. Rob has bonked because he didn't eat his sweeties. Which way? Literally, I had no idea if you can hear me with the wind. It's a pretty strong southerly. But in another cool little callback to the last time we did this trip, we're approaching the wind farm. Alright, we've bloody done it. We've reached it. The Taralga Hotel. Nearly fell. Well, by we I mean me and Ben. Rob's still bringing up. Was that the easiest ride of your life? Unfortunately, it's not exactly 100. Should we do 2.5k around to make it around 100? It's a no. It's a no from the crew. Alright.
Everything.
Everything? One of each,
Ordering
please.
one of each. I'll probably get a steak and a smoothie.
Morning.
Morning.
It's real coffee time. I'm wearing my speed dealers because I didn't bring substitute glasses. Rob's just squinting instead. It's overcast, so it's not too bright anyway. So we've found coffee. I found a scenic backdrop. I've got flowers either side of me. Got our road tyres on gravel, Rob. Alright, important update. By hard resetting I actually put this speaker in the bin last night, but then I decided to soft reset it this morning and now it's working. So we had no tunes yesterday, but today we have tunes. So that's another 10k an hour average, I think. When you said you needed to go pee, I didn't realise how quickly. Alright, here's the small update. We've got 15 kilometers to get to Goulburn and about 50 minutes to do it. At our relaxed dad pace, can we make it and therefore be able to get the last train for 4 hours and avoid annoying our wives. That's the drama. Basically, well, it's not that much of a drama because really all you need to do is ride at a relaxed pace rather than an old man pace. So, but you know, you got to move the story along somehow. Not taking a train back to Mittagong after all. We are going to get a bus back to somewhere, and then, I don't know, some complication, Mossvale. So we're stopping here for Shanetti. This actually might be a better time to sign off for this particular. So 3 different types of bike on the journey. What were the good things and what were the bad things?
Things that was fast on the hard pack stuff.
Not enough
traction on the hairy bits.
On the gravel. Yeah.
But otherwise, no flats, no nothing. Oh, the biggest thing I would change is my fitness.
Good thing is great downhill.
Yeah.
Nice on the gravel. What I would change is I'd change my saddle and probably put gravel tires on because they slow you down on the road.
Yeah. But you wouldn't change the bar or anything else?
Nope.
What would I change on my bike? Nothing. I think it was just right for what I was doing. The only thing I'd probably do is have a pack that sits on top of the rack so it's not balanced on one side, but the ratio and the tires and everything were perfect. That's 140 k's done, and nice one. Brofist.
Broke back now.
What?